Good morning, this is Miss Razan. Today we are going to test metals by using unusual method. In the previous lesson, we used precipitation reactions with sodium hydroxide to identify some metals. For example, we reacted copper nitrate with sodium hydroxide to produce light blue precipitate, which is copper hydroxide. But in this lesson, we are going to identify some metals using the characteristic colored flames produced when their compounds are heated. So, when we heat some metals, that will produce a flame. This flame is the characteristic which identify the metal. Okay, we are going actually to test 5 metals, which are lithium, potassium, copper, sodium, and calcium. Those are the 5 metals that we are going to test their flame. So let's start with lithium. The first metal is lithium. When we heat lithium, that will produce a flame, and this flame has a crimson red color. This is the crimson red color. So you have to memorize the color of the flame. Okay, so again, lithium, we have the first flame, crimson red. And the second metal is potassium. This is a potassium powder, and this is the flame of the potassium, which is lilac. The color is lilac, which is light purple. Okay, the third metal is copper, and copper actually has blue-green flame. So this is the flame of copper. So when we heat copper, this color will appear. This flame would appear, which is blue-green. The fourth metal is sodium. This is a powder, sodium powder, and when we heat it, that will produce yellow-orange flame. So the flame of sodium is yellow-orange. And the last metal that we have, calcium. Here we have calcium powder, and this is the flame of calcium, which is brick red. So the color of calcium flame is brick red. Again, let's revise all the metals. Lithium has crimson red flame. Crimson red flame. And potassium has lilac flame. Lilac flame. Copper has blue-green flame. And sodium has yellow-orange flame. And the last metal, which is calcium, has brick red flame. This table is very important. You have to know the metal and its color of flame. So metal in compound tested, lithium, potassium, copper, sodium, and calcium. And here we have the color of each flame, or the flame of each metal. We have finished the lesson. You have to answer the summary questions, page 131, and please send the answers in B12 during next 48 hours. Please answer them. Thank you for listening and good luck.